की तरह नहीं, एक छक्का एक चौका। प्यार से सिखाऊंगी।
प्यार से। ये स्किपिंग नहीं, डांसिंग है ये। हवा मेरे से निकल गया अभी।
I've always dreamed of representing India at Olympics.
This is the person who gave me all the nightmares yesterday. Let's go meet her. Hello, Nikat.
अरे डीके भाई, आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
मैं हूँ आपका स्पारिंग पार्टनर।
Really? लग रहा है पूरी तैयारी करके आए हो आप।
रेडी हूँ मैं।
आ जाओ रिंग में।
चलो। गलती से भी आप मत मारो मुझे, मैं मर जाऊंगा।
नहीं मारूंगी, आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं आपको सिखाती हूँ।
Yes, thank you.
प्यार से सिखाऊंगी।
प्यार से, please. Ready.
So first, on guard.
On guard, yeah.
Yeah.
So I have to cover my chin.
Cover your chin, yes.
Chin, okay. And then?
Now, jab. जब दो दिखाऊंगी,
So?
1, 2, left and this right.
Okay. So left?
Left and right. Yes. Okay. Left, right. 1, 2.
Shit. Sorry.
कोई बात नहीं. Left, left, right.
Okay. Lovely.
Very good. अभी left, left, right.
Okay.
Slip.
Let's try. Left,
1,
left,
2, 3,
right,
slip. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait a minute. Why always left first?
Because you're orthodox, we are leading with this.
Okay.
Left.
Okay. Oh.
Because your left leg is forward.
Correct. Left leg is forward.
हाँ, तो
Okay.
like
So whichever leg is forward, that has to go first.
yes. And right hand is your powerful hand.
Knockout hand.
Knockout punch. Yes. So I'll teach you hooks.
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 Okay.
This.
Okay. I have to do
This is the like most dangerous punch. Like usually we land hook here,
Ah.
right on the chin. When you know if
Yeah.
it lands on exactly on the chin, boxer just
Knocks out.
like make it like C type.
Steady. Ah.
You have to turn your
Okay.
hip.
See. Okay. Got it.
If for example I'm good at counter punching,
Okay.
so मैं mostly क्या करती हूँ, मैं ऐसा
आपका पूरा
situation create
tactics मत
करती हूँ.
बताना, बाकी लोग देखेंगे competitors.
I change my game style
Oh,
according to the opponent.
very nice.
तो मैं ऐसा situation create करूँगी, like I'm keeping my left hand down and आपको लगेगा कि मेरा ये opening है,
इधर,
so of
हाँ.
course you'll try to hit right?
Then-
तो जब आप right फेंकोगे, तो मैं ऐसे hook मार के side निकल जाती हूँ. ये
Okay.
एक
It's
strategy
about
होती है.
faking something
Yeah.
and then
Showing something, doing something.
Yeah. Now what are we doing?
What you want to learn?
Everything is new to me. I'm enjoying it actually, to be honest. So whatever you're happy to teach me, I'm happy to learn.
Let's move on to uppercut. Uppercut is like this, turning. Turn your wrist.
So when I finish, I have to bring back here.
Yes, back to your place.
Okay, got it.
You have power in your hands.
Okay. Oh, thank you. थोड़ा confidence आ रहा है.
गया. दिख रहा है. Good, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
My immediate instinct bouncer आया तो ऐसा duck करते हैं.
Last one.
1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. A lot of cricketers actually do boxing for cardio. The one cricketer who I saw only did this. And he said through his career he did this. His name is Adam Gilchrist. Australian wicketkeeper.
Okay.
He said he'll go back to his hometown. He had this trainer who used to only focus on boxing. He said it helped his score, his footwork, and that's about the majority of the training that he did. But now I can see, I'm breathing up and down. I can feel it. Even though I've been a keeper and I move so much laterally, this is a little different. It is like
I
I've
feel
done
like
for
we have
3
just started.
Started?
We did only like for 3-4 minutes. You're sweating as if like you have done a session for 2 hours continuously. चलो आपका power check करते हैं
Power.
machine पे.
Okay.
चलो let's see कि हमारे punches में कितना power है.
Zoe James Dunn.
Okay. So beat that score. ये क्या है? You can't beat me? I think आपको जिम की जरूरत है.
Wow. अंदर आते ही मुझे डर लग रहा है actually.
I'ma get back up, I'ma get back up, Heard you looking for a hero. Well, look up. Yeah, no more running from that bad guy, don't worry about it. I'm right here, what's up? I know that journey been hard for you. Okay, I ain't giving up. We ain't giving up. I got the heart of a champion. If I get knocked down, I get back up.
So I'll give you 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
हाँ,
Okay.
Throw how many punches you can.
Okay.
Huh?
When you tell me to
Ready?
go.
Go. Come on. Austin. Go faster.
10 seconds में हुआ. Was there power in it? No, it was just punch.
I mean, I could feel there was a power in your punches, but compared to your weight, उतना power नहीं था. Base आपका अच्छा रहने से punches लेके ऐसे आएगा एक.
एक मिनट. ऐसा लगा हाथ इधर से आया.
ऐसे वो आया ना, वो हवा आई ना.
फिर हवा मेरे से निकल गया अभी. एक मिनट. I don't know why I am breathing hard but you punch.
You're counting my punches?
I'll try.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Lovely. Obviously, when you get a hit on the face, you get more points. So on the chest, it's much lesser.
I mean, this is our score.
Okay.
Point. If I'm throwing uppercut and it's landing on your stomach, so it's a score.
Oh, how much points you get for that?
1 point. एक punch का 1 point.
Okay. It's the number of correct punches that
Yes.
you get. Okay.
On the target, the punch
So it's
which
not got
lands.
face में मारा तो 5 point इधर मारा तो.
नहीं, क्रिकेट की तरह नहीं, एक छक्का एक चौका.
ये स्किपिंग नहीं, डांसिंग है ये.
1, 2, 3, start.
होता है मेरे से चांस ही नहीं.
I know that I can do more than 100 doubles continue.
Continuously.
Yeah.
Wow.
Start.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 40. Keep going. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, well done. Brilliant.
So close.
I'll try.
You can try.
Abba!
So स्पीड बैग के एडवांटेज ये है कि हम टाइमिंग एंड हमारा प्रेसिशन इम्प्रूव होता है इससे। तो ठीक है, ठीक है। सो नाउ यू गोना डू
ना
अभी आप मुझे करके
आप
दिखाओ।
रियली एक्सपेक्ट करते हो मैं ये कर पाऊंगा?
Of course, believe in yourself. You can.
In boxing. All right, let's go. Let's start again.
Yeah.
It's coming very fast. But
Start slowly and आराम से आएगा। Oh! You don't move. Just your hand should keep moving. Yeah. One.
I think that's a lot for today. Basically, I've run out of breath right now. I'm tired. I think we
So-
need to go grab something to eat,
Yes.
take a break, and then we'll see what's next.
जब भी मैं कोई कंपटीशन के लिए प्रिपेयर करती हूँ तो आई हैव टू लाइक लूज 4 kgs
4. So normally you're around 55,
अराउंड 54।
and you have to bring it down to 50. Cheat days कभी होते हैं आपका? Off season, when does it happen? होता है
I mean
actually.
off season obviously, off season में तो like every day is a cheat day for
हाँ,
me।
you enjoy eating. What's your favorite dish?
बहुत है ऐसे तो। फर्स्टली बिरयानी, आई
Okay.
कम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद तो ऑब्वियसली बिरयानी एंड मम्मी के हाथ का खाना। फिर ऑल्सो आई लव निहारी।
So you're a proper true blood non-vegetarian.
यस यस, जब मैं वेट लूज करती हूँ तो मम्मी का खाना याद आता है। इवन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ईद भी मैं कैंप में ही सेलिब्रेट करती हूँ, घर पे भी नहीं जाती हूँ। जब कैंप डेज चलते हैं हमारे तो मैं जब फोन करती हूँ मम्मी से यही पूछती हूँ कि आज क्या बनाया है घर पे। जब मम्मी बोलती है ना कि बिरयानी बनी है तेरी फेवरेट तो मैं आई गेट इमोशनल। तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं, आपको एक चैंपियन बनने के लिए सैक्रिफाइस करने पड़ते हैं।
क्या mental toughness चाहिए when you have that last round and you have the last minute or a minute and a half to go, and if you're behind in the fight, how do you push yourself mentally?
Firstly, to become a champion, you should be mentally strong.
Correct.
You know? The first point वो है. And also, the main thing also comes family support. You know, usually बहुत ऐसे एथलीट्स होते हैं जो टैलेंटेड होते हैं बट उनको फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, उसकी वजह से वो लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते। स्पेशली कमिंग फ्रॉम अ कम्युनिटी वेयर यूजुअली दे डोंट अलाउ द गर्ल्स टू कम आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स। आई एम लकी कि मुझे ऐसे फादर मिले, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज सपोर्ट ओनली आई कुड रीच एट दिस लेवल।
In 2019, we all know that you had a massive challenge.
Yeah.
Mary Kom, who was your idol,
Yeah.
who in time became your opponent as well, and it was quite the journey for you as well. And how did you grow as a human being through that whole process, you felt?
So basically, it was they were supposed to have trials for World Championship, and they said that okay, there will be trials for all the weight categories. फिर बाद में एक दिन पहले मैंने ग्रुप में मैसेज भी डाला था कि अगर कल मेरी बाउट है, so can you just tell me कि do I have to give weight tomorrow? किसी ने रिप्लाई नहीं किया। मैं डिनर भी नहीं किया था, भूखे पेट सोई थी। अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग आई हैव टू गेट अप एंड लूज वेट, एंड देन व्हेन आई वेंट टू गिव वेट द सिलेक्शन कमिटी पीपल कम्स एंड टेल मी दैट नो देयर इज नो बाउट फॉर 51 kg, कि उस वेट का ट्रायल ही नहीं होगा। आई फेल लिटरली मतलब हर्ट, आई वाज सैड, आई वाज डिसहार्टेंड एंड मतलब उस टाइम बहुत इमोशनल हो गई थी मैं। एंड देन फिर मैं आई रेज माई वॉइस कि ट्रायल क्यों नहीं हुआ, ओनली फॉर दिस वेट कैटेगरी, सारे वेट का हुआ। देन फाइनली आई हैव टू गो थ्रू सोशल मीडिया, मैंने लेटर लिखा स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर को। फाइनली ट्रायल हुआ, जीतने से ज़्यादा आई वॉज हैप्पी कि वो ट्रायल फाइनली हो रहा था। But at the end, I lost that bout. But ठीक है, I always tell it's not for me. It's not about winning and losing. For me, it's learning. Since then, I never looked back. My eyes are on Paris Olympics, you know. And then 2022, I became world champion.
निकात, now, जब मैं पहले आया मुझे बताया आपने मेरा पूरा टेक्निक गलत है. You changed that. अभी मुझे लगता है I have the confidence to get back in the ring. What do you think?
Of course, if you're ready, चलो चलते हैं.
नहीं, इतना भी एनर्जी नहीं चाहिए, आराम से. Ready? I want to last 10 seconds without a punch.
See?
Ready? My turn now.
Okay.
Ready.
Why are you making sounds?
Because I'm energy.
Let's go.
Ready. Lovely. That was good.
I'll try to not focus on negative things. I'll try to off from all my social media accounts. Just try to visualize things that I'm going for Olympics and I'm gonna win medal for my country and I'm standing on the top of the podium and national anthem is being played there.
For Olympic athletes, strangely sometimes they're not followed for 3.5 years out of the 4. But at the end when they're going, there's always that extra pressure. Do you feel that as a weight of burden or do you feel that as something that's gonna help you propel forward?
Honestly, this is my first Olympics. Of course, I'm very much excited that I'm going for Olympics finally. And of course, there will be a lot of expectations from me, but I'll take that expectations as a motivation and I'll push myself inside the ring. And it's not a burden. I've always dreamed of representing India at Olympics, so I'll take that as a blessing.
Brilliant. Today, just spending the day with you, it's been quite enthralling because it's so difficult. It is so different, first of all. And the amount of cardio required just to stay in your posture and stance consistently. I thought I'd last 10 seconds without getting a punch, but even with all my funny pyrotechnics that I tried, I couldn't last. And I'm sure that's the case for a lot of female boxers who are going to be facing you. All the very best for Paris Olympics. You are the hope of 1 billion Indians who will be watching. And most importantly, a lot of girls will be looking up to you, I believe, and feel that you're the torchbearer of something very, very special. May the God be with you and give you all the power and strength to do something really special. Wish you all the very best.
It means a lot.